This is my Prameta Windup 300 series Mercedes-Benz. As you can see, the box is falling apart. Completely see through the box. It's okay condition, except the ends have fallen off. And here's a couple flaps. This is what's left of the ends right here. The instructions are in German. So if you read German, you zoom into there. And the car itself is in played with condition. There's some scratches. You know, the front wheels still articulate. The back wheels, however, there's reverse, I believe. Now the back wheels are a little locked because when I try this, when I try and wind it up, I think it might be overwound. I'm not sure, but I'm not going to take this apart since it's so old. That's what I get when I try and wind it up, and I'm not going to force it. But someone expert in these things may want to take these screws out, unwind it carefully, and then you know, be good to go. I can't demonstrate it winding because you know, it is overwound, I believe. And that's your 1950s Mercedes Series 3 wind-up car from Prameta.